So here today we have this beautiful BMW M235i. It's just come in. Now this car is one of my favorite colors for these cars especially, which is the metallic mineral white, which is complemented by the grey mirrors and the factory grey wheels, and the blue calipers really sets this car apart from anything else in this class. So what makes this car special is not the spec or the colour, it's the fact that it has a very comprehensive service history. The first service was completed by BMW Main Dealer, where it had a major service, 126-point inspection, a routine maintenance inspection. It received brand new brake discs and pads all around, and 4 brand new Michelin Super Sport Tyres. Then after that, it was serviced by us, as the customer is a long-term friend of Invictus Motors, and he recently part exchanged this in against a beautiful white Porsche Boxster. You can see he loves white cars. Now, lastly, just before he sold the car to us, he had it serviced again at BMW Main Dealer, where they did another 126-point inspection, a routine maintenance inspection, and everything on the car was fine. There was no issues whatsoever, as well as a major service and a brake fluid change. This car has been looked after extremely well, and the next owner won't have to worry about any niggling issues.